Last weekend, instead of sitting around at home, we decided to drive down to Haldia. And this is our travel log. After reaching, we checked into the best hotel of Haldia, the Golden Retreat. The tariff was on the higher side at 5.5k per night, but I feel it was well worth it. The rooms were spacious with super clean restrooms, which even had a bathtub. And in case you feel bored, there was this game room with a pool and a carom table for entertainment. You stole yourself for that job. In the evening, we went to the Riverside to witness the glorious sunset.
Over and done. My love is burnt out.
Next day morning, we went for a walk through the hotel premises. Here I flew my drone to get a view of the Haldia port. Then it was time to hit the pool.
It's fucking over and done. My love is burnt out.
Finally, we went to have our complimentary breakfast. That is it guys for this video. If you like my content, then don't forget to subscribe. But before I go, I have this final thing to say. That guys, I think that Haldia is one of the most underrated tourist spots in West Bengal, and I urge every one of you to visit Haldia at least once and see it for yourself, and I guarantee that you won't be disappointed.